Okay, guys, we're gonna have a late winter storm. You know what that means? Looks like there could be rain. You know what that means? We gotta catch Stevoo. Getting wet, going out to the liquor store, running right across. You know how he likes to laugh at me and point laugh at me being out in that sun and everything. While I burn out there, well, it's our turn, guys. I want you guys to be out there catching it this time because the other times I got it. I gotta say I'm disappointed here because you guys are supposed to catch him being soaking wet out there. Now, I could hold it against you. And, what? You said I paid you enough? That's why I pay you guys 1,000 zarkles. That's a lot of fucking money. Alright? No, don't ask what it is. Don't ask. Because let's just say you're going to enjoy what I'm giving you. No, it's not a bunch of shit. It's real money. Stuff you guys can also eat and enjoy later. Just like milk and cookies. Now, you don't have to take my word for it. Yes, actually, you should. Don't just go out there, get the job done. All right, we gotta catch him this time, boys and girls. All right. Yeah. All right. We're gonna get him. I'm gonna get you, brother. You bitch. We're gonna get you, Stevoo.